Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In today's TBAG collab, we've been challenged to use red, white, and blue, and the challenge is called Let Freedom Ring, celebrating the 4th of July, Independence Day. And since I've been enjoying the marble technique, I've decided to use this technique in this collab. Starting off the collab was Grandma Kathy's art venture, and of course it's me, Creations with Tanya. After me it's August at August Acrylic Art, and then Brenda Allender at AKA Creations from the Table. I mix my paint, 1 part paint to 2 parts Flood Floetrol. The red I used is Artist Loft Brilliant Red, seen here. Here I'm showing you the consistency of the white paint, and I used Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and a DecoArt Satin Enamel Pure White. The blue I mixed 1 part paint to 1 part Flood Floetrol. I found that with the metallics it was a lot thinner, so as you can see there, I used DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue, Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, and Amsterdam Pearl Blue. The canvas size I used is 10 by 10, and I am flooding my canvas with my white, and then after I've spread it out, I will pour my puddles so that I can do the marble technique. So please sit back and enjoy. I'm just going to put down some white pillow for my paint just so it has enough surface to glide over and I don't lose anything.
Here's the close-up of the wet results. And I'm just gonna zoom in. I hope so. So cool. I love the lines the marble makes. And the movement of this piece is just the best. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So much fun. Alright guys, stay tuned for August. He's the next one in our collab. And I know he is going to be doing something really exciting. Alright, have a good day. Happy 4th of July. Bye.